In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see history in CapCut on PC, step by step, so you can quickly find your recent projects and continue editing without wasting time. This is super helpful if you've closed the app, need to jump back into an old edit, or just want to review what you were working on recently. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app launches, you'll land on the home screen. This is where CapCut keeps your main starting options, and it's also where you can access your recent work. Now, look for the Projects section. This is the area where CapCut stores your recent editing projects, so if you want to see your history, this is the first place you should check. Inside Projects, you'll see a list or grid of your recent projects. These are usually the files you've opened or edited before, making it easy to jump back into whatever you were working on. Take a moment to browse through the projects and look for the one you need. If you have multiple edits saved, this section helps you quickly identify your latest work without having to search through folders manually. Once you find the project you want, simply click on it to open it. CapCut will load that project and you can continue editing right where you left off. That's really all there is to it. So to recap, open CapCut PC, go to the home screen, check the Projects section, review your recent projects, and open the one you want to keep working on. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple CapCut guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.